You are probably familiar with the challenge of equipping your new software with the existing data and settings from the previous version. Above all, you want to use your data in the new version without data disruptions. In this video, I will show you how you can quickly and easily use and integrate the WSCAD software with all existing data and settings from the previous version. Once you have installed the new software, you can use the import functions to import the existing data from the previous version. It is important to save your settings in the previous version beforehand. This should be done with closed projects. To do this, go to Tools, Configuration Settings, Export in the previous version and export the settings. In the new software, you can now automatically import all settings, templates and all databases into the new version. To initiate this process, navigate to Tools, Data, Import WSCAD previous version in the new software. In the dialog that now appears, you can select all the data which you want to include in the new software. Select the directory in which the data from the previous version is located. Select the same procedure for the part database, the project database and the settings. For the project database, you can use the checkbox in order to update the central database directly to the latest status. Please note that if you have many projects, this process will take some time. This should therefore be done with caution. Once the process has been successfully completed, the software will restart, and the usual views and settings will be available in the new software.